Nice.
Big ones or small ones?
Big ones, tie rods.
Look at that face.
Strong.
All right, we have a lot more people up here than I'm used to seeing. We have, what do we have, 4/5 of the team up here right now, not including Team Audi, which is yet to be discovered and shown. Anyway, it's wrenching to race. We got a month till we're gonna be racing at Pittsburgh. We're trying desperately to finish the golf or get it started. May or may not happen today, but this is what's going on today. We got Vin Derek here, Laser's here, and Chef is here.
Chef.
We're having tacos for lunch. Sandwiches.
And we got brakes going on. We got tie rods going on, because as you can see,
This car is going to Pittsburgh.
this tie rod is not good. So I'm going to continue doing my electrical stuff. I'm going to try and have the guys film the little stuff that they're doing and all of that. I doubt we'll get the air chuck put on, but we got to do some wing template stuff because I'm going to bring it home and weld it so we have a wing to put on. All right, that's it. I have the computer today. We're going to hook up the ECU, see what it's reading, and Mango's even coming with some hockey pucks, which we'll show you what we're going to do with that. Hey, thanks for tuning in to Wrenching to Race. You're going to see an amazing episode of Stay Tuned. We are going to power up the Mega Squirt
And I will get the fire extinguisher.
and see if we register
All the sensors.
sensors.
Are there any sensors missing, Mo?
Nope. All right, so turn that on, John. Now I'll turn this on. This is a big check. This is it. So what we could do is see if the throttle position sensor is hooked up. So I think we go to Tools. Oh, calibrate TPS. Look at that. Zero throttle, which is right now, get
Yep.
current, and then give me a full throttle on the TPS.
Like the TPS reports.
Just like you're gonna have to stay a while.
Uh,
Full? Okay.
Go zero.
Accept.
Hold on a second.
All right, now go full throttle. It should go to 100.
Go
And then
go like 80%.
Let's do it again because it's maxing out past
100.
100. That's like 70.
Go to zero.
Okay, so let it go. I don't think that thing's been spun in a while, so let's just try that again.
Tools. Calibrate TPS reports. All right, we're at zero, right?
Zero, so it should read, it's a little
correct.
under zero.
So close throttle.
Okay, 28. And then go full throttle, John. Hold it there. All right, so let go.
All right,
Now
give me
it's
full
above.
throttle.
Go full. That's full.
It's actually 80.
You're wide open throttle? All right, so that's not working. Let's try it again. Let go.
You know when you do your TPS, I bet you have to go to zero, zero, and out. Hit zero.
No, it's taking the current that's there right now at zero.
All right,
And that, so it throttle's closed right now, so it takes that,
okay,
hit
correct.
that, and then hit it open a couple times. Just open it all the way. That's opened all the way?
Full throttle.
Because it's changing, so you gotta hold it. Are you moving it, or is it just open all the way?
Open all the way, sir.
All right, let go. Ooh, that's pretty good.
Yeah.
And then go full throttle.
All right. And go a little less than full. That's cool. It's trying. All right, well, we're close.
Somewhere around there. All right, so let's
We're ready
do...
to start this fucker.
All right, so we got pretty close. The boys got the brake power, parking brake cables connected to the car inside the handle. We have to just connect them to the brakes. We got pads, rotors, everything on. We got to get lines for this. We also connected the fuel pump, and we have the brake lights, turn signals, and reverse lights hooked up to the car. Power, we powered everything on. There was no fire, which is always good. And then powered up the ECU, which you saw, and that powered up. We just have to figure out some of these sensors that we have, if they're good, if they're not reading properly. And then we basically hooked up all the wires to the wiring harness. We have all the injectors hooked up. We have coolant oil temp sender plugged in. We have oil pressure plugged in. We basically have everything plugged in and wired. Now it's just a matter of figuring out some of these sensors, getting some of these other things hooked up. The O2 controller, wideband controller. But we did a ton of work. We also got new tie rods put in, and we got brake lines going. We're almost there. This even spins. So look at that. The guys did it right. Sorry there wasn't more interesting video. It's just how it goes sometimes when we're racing against the clock. Take care. We'll get another video out to you. Bye.